Welcome to our tutorial on how to read HTML tables using Pandas. We'll show you how to extract data from HTML tables on a web page and load it into a Pandas data frame for analysis. Let's get started. First, we need to set up our environment. Pandas can handle HTML table extraction directly, but we need to ensure we have the necessary packages installed. To demonstrate reading HTML tables, we'll use a publicly available website with tables. Pandas can read tables directly from the web page using the read_HTML method. Now that we've loaded the tables, we can inspect them to find the one we're interested in. Let's look at the first few rows of a table and clean it as needed. With the data loaded and cleaned, we can now perform some basic analysis. Let's calculate the total world population represented by the table and identify the top 5 countries by population. And there you have it. We've successfully extracted an HTML table from a web page using Pandas and performed some basic analysis. This technique is incredibly useful for data analysts and researchers working with web-based data sources. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.